If you've forgotten your Hostinger password, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset it quickly and get back into your account. This is a simple process, and by the end, you'll know how to request a reset link, create a new password, and log in with your updated credentials. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Hostinger login page. This is the same page you normally use when signing into your hosting account. Once it loads, look for the Forgot Password option. This is what you'll use if you can't remember your current password or if you're locked out of your account. Go ahead and click Forgot Password. Hostinger will ask you to enter the email address that is linked to your account. Make sure you type the correct email because the reset instructions will be sent there. After entering your email, check that it's spelled correctly, then continue by sending the reset request. Now open your email inbox and look for a message from Hostinger. Sometimes this arrives within a few seconds, but if you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Inside the email, you should find a reset link or a button that lets you create a new password. Click that link to continue. Once the reset page opens, you'll be asked to enter a new password. Choose a strong password that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. For best results, use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After typing your new password, confirm it by entering it again in the second field. When both fields match, save the changes and complete the reset process. At this point, Hostinger will update your account with the new password. You can now go back to the login page and sign in using your email and the new password you just created. If everything was entered correctly, you should now have access to your Hostinger account again. This is the final step, and it confirms that your password reset was successful. If you run into any issues, double check that you used the right email address and that the reset link has not expired. And that's how to reset your Hostinger password in just a few easy steps. I hope this video saved you time and helped you get back into your account. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Hostinger tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.